want to love you, but a dancer stole my heart. I should have known he was a burglar from the start, 'cause all along he had that dancing walk, the kind that only devils have and sinners stalk. I want to tell you, but a writer took my words. I should have known with him my voice would not be heard, 'cause all along he tried to start a war, the kind that only writers start and fools fall for. I want to kiss you, but a singer took my lips. He had magic at his icy fingertips. I should have known he'd take a piece of me, and that our consonants would cease to be. Lover's spells when there's room in my bed for somebody else. But until that day comes, I'm afraid we'll be saying goodbye. Want you, but a young man took my hand. He led me somewhere neither one of us had planned, and now he's nothing but an empty space, a phantom presence on my pillowcase. His breathing wakes me like my window in the breeze, and what with singer, dancer, writer, it's a squeeze. So forgive me please for sounding cruel, but I'm afraid this bed's already full. The kiss that he places on my patient face is the one to break the spell. Then with the breaking of past lovers' spells, there'll be room in my bed for somebody else. But until that day comes, I'm afraid we'll be saying goodbye.